Hey, what's up everybody? Quick explanation on what Facebook audiences are. I was thinking about it and I was like, Legos might help with this. So I hit up one of my buddies. He lent me some Legos. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain what the 3 different Facebook audience types are. So a custom audience is made up of people that you have met one way or another, whether they came to your website or they subscribed to your email, or maybe you collected their emails during checkout at your store. Somehow you have had contact with this person in some way. They are not strangers to you. So first thing we're gonna do is figure out which of these people we already know. So real quick. So these people have been to my website, but none of these people have been to my website yet. So I can build a custom audience off of these people. I'd like to think of the audience as like buckets. So we're gonna put these people into my custom audience bucket. Bucket. Another common example of a custom audience are email subscribers. So email subscribers, somehow either they signed up for your email list or you collected their emails in some other way, hopefully a legitimate way. They joined your list. You can run a custom audience to those people in Facebook. So we're just gonna pick a few people that signed up for our email list. Once we've got those people figured out, we can put them in the bucket. Bucket. So the next audience type inside of Facebook audiences is a lookalike audience. Now lookalike audiences are really important and super valuable. They're based off of an audience you already have and know. So for example, you could use either one of those website audiences or email subscriber audiences or any of the other custom audiences and tell Facebook, hey, I have a group of people that I know a lot of information about. Can you find me another group of people that also have similar characteristics that I can also run my ads to? Facebook takes care of all of that for you, which is incredibly valuable. Definitely do it. Here's how that looks. Original audience. Now I'm gonna tell Facebook, hey, find me that other audience. A lookalike audience. Similar characteristics. Obviously, we don't know a lot about these people personally, but Facebook identified them as having matches to these people over here, created me a new audience. Now I can run an audience, or now I can run an ad targeting people in the lookalike audience that Facebook created for me. So we're gonna put those people in the bucket. Bucket. The last and probably one of the most common audiences used on Facebook are the saved audiences. This is where you can go in and you can actually pick your demographic information, as well as some interests or behaviors or job titles that the people might have been associated with via their online activity, and then you can run an ad targeting those people. So to set this up, we're actually gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna pick people with similar characteristics, and those people are gonna become my audience. Scuba. Females, construction, just some ideas. So once you have a saved audience of demographics and age and gender and location, those are the kind of the main ones that you can do on a saved audience, you can put them into a bucket. Bucket. So Facebook audiences give you a ton of liberty to target people well, and you are definitely going to want to use audiences because it makes your ads perform so much better when you're hitting the right audience. Lots of times people run advertisings on Facebook and Instagram and different social networks, but they're targeting poorly, and when they target poorly, they get poor results. So they say, Facebook ads don't work. It's really not the ad's fault, it's your targeting. Your targeting has to be on. If your targeting is on, you see much better performance of your ads versus just blasting it out to a smattering of people that probably aren't interested in your product. So use the audience tools, build audiences, target the right people, and you'll see a better result on your Facebook ads.